This is awesome. Claude Code is currently making changes to my project, and I'm controlling all of it using my mobile phone. So you can now control local Claude Code sessions from any device using the remote control feature. All you have to do is enable remote access within the project folder, and you can then use the iOS or Android app to control your Claude Code session remotely. This means developers and vibe coders can finally break away from their machines and go outside and touch grass. You can now control Claude Code from anywhere. Setting this up is really easy too. Simply open up your project folder, so this could be a blank folder or an existing project folder. The only prerequisite is that when you start Claude, you have to enable "Yes, I trust this folder." Now, when we exit out of Claude Code, all we have to do is run the command Claude remote control. This will give you this URL, or if you press spacebar, you'll receive this QR code that you can scan as well. You can then open the Claude app on your mobile device, then go to Code, and within this view, you should see all of your remote connections. I'll select the one that I just created now. To test this out, I'll just send a message like, "Create a simple Vite app." Let's send this, and Claude is telling us that the folder is currently empty, which it definitely is. And just like with the CLI tool, it's asking us clarifying questions. So I'll select React, let's submit this. I'll just allow all permissions. And as Claude is working away on my mobile phone, I can already see the files appearing in this folder structure. How cool is that? And what I do like is that the code is local on our machine. We didn't have to deploy anything to the cloud at this stage. So of course, if you are working in a cloud environment, you could always use Claude Code Web to perform something very similar. But I really like the idea that I can work on my local projects as well. I have access to all the features that I would have if I was at my own machine. And just as a side note, if you open up the Claude Desktop app and you go to Code, you can actually see all of those remote sessions here as well. And I can see the entire conversation that I had on my phone. I can also rename this session, so I can go to Rename, and let's call this Finance Tracker as an example. And now back on my mobile phone, if I refresh this view, we can see that the name of that session has changed. Claude seems to be adding new features at a fast pace, and it can be really hard to stay up to date. If you feel overwhelmed by everything that's going on in the AI space, then consider joining my community, Agentic Lab. We've got several classrooms on all sorts of AI tooling, including Claude Code. And we also have a vibrant community of people who love to share ideas and learn from each other. And the first 1,000 members will be locked in at only $7 per month. So I hope to see you in the community. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.